how to buy DeepSeek AI token on Orca. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token on Orca, what you need to do, click on markets here. So click on Orca pair here, as you can see. So after that, what you need to do, you need to click on trade on Orca here, as you can see. Click on it. Now you'll be able to redirect you to Orca page to be able to buy this token there. Now what you need to do first, as you can see, connect your wallet. So select the wallet that you want to connect first. For example, Phantom, connect your wallet, as you can see. Now after you connect your wallet to Orca, what you need to do, click here and must to find the token. So if you don't find the token here, go back to the token page on CoinEX and now copy the token address that came under this Solana drop from here. So after that, go back and now as you can see, paste the token address, as you can see, click on it and you will be able to find it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Solana, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet that you just connected to Orca. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, make sure to read all that information here that will be up here. Now after that, click on trade and you will be able to buy this token on Orca. So this is how to buy DeepSeek AI token on Orca. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.